sense sitting here. I'll give you this, Neil.
That was a change.
That
was the change we got.
sitting there. Now that I would wear chandelier done because I have long hair. I need big
Sanchez is going to wear that to the Oscars.
Lauren, nice.
That was beautiful.
Nice. Well, can I just say, Lauren is you're wearing Dolce & Gabbana too,
Yes.
right?
But you're taking them off before the Madonna party. You're not going to wear them, right?
No, I will take them off before Madonna's party because it gets a little too crazy.
Lauren, are you wearing this ring?
Yes.
No, that's a cocktail ring.
Oh, it sure is.
Why
My tattoo is so...
Look, it starts in the 1920s when women were drinking, smoking. It's a power ring.
Got it.
Steve, it's a power ring. You direct the guy where you want him to be.
I had one when I was a kid. It was a Dakota ring, looked like that.
It wasn't that kind of ring.
Oh, okay.
And then Lauren will wear this bracelet as well.
Right.
Very nice. I would put a LoJack on that girl because she would leave with them too.
She will? Really?
I just signed my life away, by the way, for this.
Reese Witherspoon also wore this one last year.
Oh, now that's fantastic.
We have a bit of pink diamond, white diamond.
It goes into that like rose gold. Was that in for a while? It's usually platinum, though, at the Oscars.
You know, with style and design today, there's so many different styles and so many different dresses. Everything really works.
Hang on, there's a warm front moving in over here.
Oh.
The cold front coming in tomorrow. Up there's a rigid high pressure. I could get used to this. Yeah.
You could, huh?
Now, how many people do you dress for the Oscars, Neil?
I mean,
depends.
Yeah, we have a few that were really significant.